Smart Cameras, the ultimate solution for industrial automation and precision detection. Detect patterns and confirm the presence of critical design elements with unmatched precision, supporting quality assurance at every step. Seamlessly recognize barcodes and QR codes to enhance tracking and improve supply chain efficiency. With advanced optical character recognition (OCR) capabilities, these cameras efficiently read and process text, ensuring accuracy and speed in real-time operations. Setting up your Hikrobot Smart Camera is quick and effortless. Follow these simple steps to get started. Begin with camera settings. Position the camera, connect it, and configure the basic parameters to match your requirements. Select your master image. Capture a reference image of your inspection task and lock in the key features. Choose the right tools. Customize your setup with advanced tools for OCR, code recognition, pattern detection, and more. Integrate with your control system. Connect the camera to your control system for smooth operation and real-time communication using Ethernet IP, Profinet, or Modbus TCP IP. With these 4 simple steps, you're ready to experience the power of Hikrobot Smart Cameras. Transform your workflow with ease and precision. Empower your automation journey with Hikrobot Smart Cameras, where simplicity meets precision.